Alright, buddy. Daddy gets to enjoy another dinner outside the dinner table on the floor with you while everybody eats. Thanks, man. What's going on, noisy Roman?
See yourself?
What'd you do? Clean your hands? Good job. That used to be you. You used to be like that little.
Who are you, baby? What's he doing?
The baby.
He's eating a bottle. He's got milky in it.
He farted when Roman was pounding it. As soon as he hit the window, he was like.
He got milky.
I have milky.
No, you don't eat that yet. You have it before you go to bed, remember?
The baby's just...
Who's out there?
Nope. Nope. It's locked.
It's locked.
So yeah, man, that's gonna be you in 2 years. All loud like that. Go back to sleep.
Bugs don't come in, honey. Come on.
But the bed. That's so nice. Baby.
Gotta be careful. What's that, Roman? What is that? No, what is that?
That's the pump. I baby dash.
That's you, man. Snoozing away now. Hopefully for a while. Where did you get these at? What are you wearing? You got some fresh clothes, buddy.
What's on your pajamas?
I don't even know. The shark.
Yeah,
What does the shark say?
And now it's this.
Great boy. Show Daddy how cute you are when I take this away from you.
Oh, just go into the refrigerator and oh. What the fuck? Munsey! 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 Munsey, are you stuck up there, Munsey? Yes? Are you stuck up there? Munsey! 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 Are you stuck? You shouldn't have been up there. I got you sealed in up there though with that thing. It ain't going anywhere. What? What? Munsey! 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 Damn it, cat. Munsey! You're lucky Brody's being so good right now. This boy's being so good. He's wide awake. And he just likes the sound. Had wrestling on for him the other night. He loved it. He loves his little koalas. And the speakers over here. Oh, little piggy. Oh, little piggy. Oh. Let's go check out that Munsey again. Munsey! 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 Jang! 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 Creechy! Creechy! There you go, Daddy got you down. You can do it on your own. Yes, kitties, kitties, kitties everywhere. Kitties and babies. Kitty and a baby. 5 kitties and a baby. He's breaking down. Gonna have to change them and get them more comfortable.
Congratulations on that title fight.
Piggy is a stinky.
Change to speak for himself. What's your plan? Faith. 6 weeks. It's a good one.
It's in theaters July 24th, and Power airs Saturdays at 9 on Stars.
He's cracking.
Curtis, 50 Cent Jackson, glad to see you doing well.
He's cracking. He's cracking. Here we go. Piggy is a stinky. Show everybody how stinky you are. Show yourself when you get older how stinky you are. How much a pain in the butt you are. Alright. Let's go. Let's go a little cry first. And then I'll change it. What? Diaper, huh? Yep. Let's change that piggy. Change the piggy. Let's go. Let's see what you got down there, man. Let's see. Let's get a little peek here. Oh, what is that? That's pathetic, dude. That's pathetic. You made me take you out of there for that little... What is that? That's a shart. That's not even a turd. Yeah, don't you hit the camera. So Daddy missed it today, but your belly button fell off, Mommy said. And look, obviously it did. Just a little blood. Tomorrow you get your first bath. I'm not going to go digging for the trash for your belly button to show you what it looks like, but I wish it would have happened with me. Because I probably would have did something with it. Maybe let the cats eat it. Who knows? Something weird. Something weird. Bless you. 2, 3, 4, 2, 5 Conan. You want to sit here and listen to some more Conan O'Brien with me before you go to sleep? You didn't even cry during this diaper change. That is always a huge plus, buddy. Give me a pound. You have no idea what's going on. Not even... Wait, let's see how old you are today. It's here. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You're like 11 days old, man. 12 days old. 2 days, you're going to be 2 weeks old. Big poopy. Alright, Piggy wants his bottles. Piggy wants his bottles. Let's go. Here it comes. Here comes the bottle. Instantly, be quiet. That's a sweet ass diaper you got there. What's that? Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Did you know that this was part of when you heard that you were up for a Chris Rock movie? Did you think had conversations like this when I was a kid that could teach me about?
Bless you, bless you.
So it's always been awkward.
Right.
So they went and saw it, and then I just got it.
Clip I've ever heard.
Key's gotta eat.
Let's roll this clip from Unexpected.
Take Samantha Abbott to your
Baby's gotta eat.
I do.
And by the power vested in me by the state of Illinois, I now...
And we end our night with a movie. Wake up! Movie's over, son. Time to go upstairs with Mommy. Brody. 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 Brody, wake up.